Well, hello friends. We are back today and we are doing an unboxing, and it's from an Etsy shop called Krafty Karen Designs. And normally I don't do like hauls and unboxings for smaller sellers like on eBay. Like I don't usually be like, "Oh, I got it from such and such seller." But because it's Etsy and because I was just obsessed with so much of the stuff that Miss Crafty Karen had on her Etsy store, and it came crazy quick, and just how well everything was packaged makes me feel like this is going to be a really good experience, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So let's open up. All right, so it was packaged so well. I had to use like full-on scissors and everything to open things, but that's a good problem to have. So, okay, I love this. I love this. Oh, look at this. What did we get? Oh, a nice coupon and thank you note. Excellent. Wrapped beautifully. Okay. Oh my goodness. Did she individually? She did. She individually wrapped these. Oh, how beautiful. So these are velvet Magnolia stems that I picked up. They're not quite the same as the velvet or the regular magnolias that I had picked up from Decorator's Warehouse earlier this year, but I thought from a price comparison, these were a nice alternative and second option, and they are beautiful. I'm so thankful she wrapped them all. That's so lovely, just a nice touch. And these are gonna go hopefully on a jewel theme tree, which is going to be lots of reds and greens and more classics to match the jewels. But that was just so wonderful. I'm so thankful that I got to share that with you guys. This was really nice so far. Oh yeah, stars. I got a handful of these because obviously I've been collecting a lot of star stuff. If you've been watching my hauls lately, you know that I'm kind of working on a star themed tree. So these are coming in. All right, so there's probably more of them. Yep, here's another one. That's two. All right, we'll just see what keeps coming up. This is packaging. She packaged this so well. Like, this is how I would package. Oh, wait, here's theirs. 3, 4 stars. There's a 5 stars. Okay, these are the real reason I purchased. So I saw these originally earlier on the year on a different website. They sold out before I could buy any. I bought the medium-sized ones, and I fell in love with them, so I've been trying to just go back and find these again. And these are giant gemstones. The wholesaler is Regency, but they are giant ornaments shaped like gemstones, and they are just crazy cool. Ooh, this one has a little smudge on it, but we can probably take that right off with alcohol. But oh, so pretty. Looks like somebody might have got a fingerprint on them while they were making it. Not anything to do with Miss Crafty Karen. She didn't make these, so it's not on her. So okay, so we got one big guy, 2 big guys, 3 big guys. All right, cool. So those are 3 giant red ones. And then we got a few more of these smaller gems, which I picked up recently. I think I got some, the most recent one was from TMI gifts. They had more, because she didn't, I think I bought out the last that she had of these, but these are like smaller gemstone ornaments that are equally gorgeous, or just, you know, smaller. So we go back to this giant one. Yeah, way different sizes, but that's okay. So we'll just leave those there. So I only got I think she only had a few of the green ones. So I think I got all the green ones. So here's a red one. Here's a red one. Yeah, the red ones are beautiful, aren't they? Brilliant color. They're gonna look so nice on a tree with all the lights reflecting. Super nice. Here's the other green one. There we go. So we got a lot of great elements, and these are all going to go on our jewel themed Christmas tree. Very exciting. Packaged beautifully. I'll go double check the order counts, make sure I got everything that I specifically ordered, but I think it's all here. So yeah, we'll definitely be shopping again in the future. Very excited about this. And yeah, I'll link to her Etsy store down below. But if you want to, if you're a visual person, you want to see it right now, Krafty Karen Designs, that's what you're looking for, Krafty with a K. So Krafty Karen Designs, KKD. And she's on Etsy. And I mean, I just love how beautifully she wrapped all of this stuff, especially having just opened up the TMI gifts one, which a lot of the flowers especially did not come well packaged, and they were just kind of thrown in a little bit. Yeah, this was a much better experience. Very, very thankful. So check her out. Okay, make sure you're subscribed for more hauls and to see how I use all of this in my upcoming Christmas decor.